Do you want to have healthier hair? Do you have hair loss or thinning hair? Do you wish your hair would grow faster and stronger? Or maybe you want to grow your hair longer and thicker. Maybe chopped it recently and decided you're officially not loving it now? I've got the solution. My hair grow recipe is easy and it works for men and women. If you follow me, you know that I've had some hair issues, including thinning hair, dry hair breakage, and hair loss. I've tried all the commercial hair stuff that promised to fix my hair, and none of it worked, and it costs a pretty penny. I got tired of it. Are you with me? Are you tired of all the toxic chemicals in commercial hair solutions? Are you put off by the high cost? Here's an effective, natural solution that won't break the bank, and it has worked for literally hundreds and hundreds of people. The essential oils in this recipe will make 12 bottles of my healthy hair grow recipe, so you can make some for yourself and for your friends and family. Winner, winner. I have two versions. You choose. One recipe has 5 oils, and the full healthy head of hair recipe adds another 4 oils for up-leveled effectiveness. Easy peasy. The first we call the mermaid hair recipe. You'll be throwing those gorgeous locks back and officially have mermaid status with this spray. Now, who wants to be a mermaid? For the best results, of course, we only use doTERRA oils, so you know they are pure and have no fillers, additives, or synthetics. Put 10 to 20 drops of each oil in a 4-ounce fine mist spray bottle, then top off with water. Please, only glass or oil-safe plastic for the sprayer. Spray directly close to the scalp and comb, brush, or massage through, applying pressure to the scalp to stimulate hair follicles. It can be applied 1 to 2 times a day to wet or dry hair. This won't leave your hair greasy or heavy because the essential oils are mixed with water, not carrier oil. I love to work it through my hair after shampooing or even nightly. Focus on challenged areas. So here's the scoop on the oils. Cedarwood promotes thick and healthy looking hair and scalp. Clary sage supports a healthy scalp and strong hair. Peppermint is invigorating and cleansing. Geranium keeps the scalp healthy and clean and also provides hair with shine. Rosemary is added for abundant looking head of hair. Bonus, we use the combo of rosemary and lavender to regrow hair on dogs when they have hair loss. Be consistent using the spray and be sure to take before and after pics. To experience the full healthy head of hair recipe, just add 4 more oils and then it's the same prep and use instruction as described earlier. Frankincense to enhance the power of the other oils and support cellular health. Lavender for soothing the skin, promoting a healthy scalp. Tea tree for cleansing the scalp and hair. Copaiba to support a healthy inflammatory and nervous system while it moisturizes dry skin and hair. And hinoki, if you have it. So good for circulation. Okay, that's 5 more oils, but we don't always have access to hinoki. There are some added benefits of this hair growth spray. The oils in the spray will soothe your mind, help with anxious feelings and overwhelm, and you'll feel grounded and centered. And remember to take before and after pics so we can admire your new hair. Take good care.